continue there. We really had a lot of the judges reach out and say, wow, this lady and your great Palau did a tremendous job, and you just emitted it all, and it all came out. Your name will be engraved on here along with the other winners that are on the stage. And next year you'll be up here helping us pick next year's winner when you get back from Hawaii, of course. So I want to congratulate you. I want to take this moment to tell you that this event on our side of Spirit of Aloha would never have been